In this lecture, we are going to construct Archimedean spiral, and problem statement is draw an Archimedean spiral of radius 80 mm for one convolution. Let's construct the spiral. Initially, we need to take the radius of 80 mm. Okay. Next, 80 mm as a radius, draw one circle. Okay, draw one circle of radius 80 mm. Okay, next draw the two diagonals passing from the center point. Okay, now divide this circle into 8 number of equal parts. So 360 divided by 8 is equal to 45-degree angle. Okay, mark 45-degree angle from both the sides. Okay, now draw the line from each point. Okay, name the center point as O. Name the center point as O. Okay, name the circle points. Start from here. So point number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so this point number 8 is also called as a P. Okay, now we need to divide this OP into 8 number of equal parts, because we have divided this circle into 8 number of equal parts. That's why we need to divide this OP into 8 number of equal parts. Okay, now measure the OP distance. How much? It is a 80 mm. Okay, so each division is for 1 centimeter. So mark the 80 division: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Okay, now name the each division. Start from here. So the center point is 8. Okay, so this is a 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, next O1 as a radius. Okay, O1 as a radius. Okay, O1 as a radius, O as a center. Draw the arc. Okay, draw the arc which will intersect to this line. Okay, which will intersect this O1 line. Okay, okay, and name this intersection point P1. Okay, next O2 as a radius. Okay, O2, you can see here O2 as a radius. Okay, O2 as a radius. O as a center point. Draw one arc which will intersect O2 line. Okay, which will intersect this O2 line. Okay, and name this intersection point P2. Okay, next O3 as a radius. O3, you can see O3 as a radius, O as a center. Draw one arc which will intersect this O3 line. Okay, and name this intersection point P3. Next O4 as a radius, O4 as a radius, O as a center. Draw one arc which will intersect O4 line. Name this intersection point P4. Next O5 as a radius, O as a center. Draw one arc which will intersect O5 line. Okay, which will intersect this O5 line. Name this intersection point P5. Next O6 as a radius. Okay, you can see O6 as a radius, O as a center point. Draw one arc which will intersect, okay, which will intersect this O6 line. Name this intersection point P6. Last one O7, O7 as a radius, O as a center point. Draw one arc, which will intersect, okay, to this O7 line. Okay, name this point P7. Okay, and P8 is here. Okay, so this P8 is here. P8 is here. Okay, now we need to connect this all points, start from P8, P7, P6, P5, P4, P3, P2, P1 to the point number P. Okay, to obtain the smooth curve. Okay, so use the French curve. Okay, use the French curve and connect the all points. Start from the P8, P7, P6, now P5, okay, now P4, now P3, now P2, now P1, and last one P, P1 to P. Okay, so this is a required curve. Okay, and this red color line is called as a Archimedean spiral. Okay, after that we need to mention the dimension. Okay, so they have given the radius. Okay, radius how much? It is given 80 mm. Okay, so from this point to this point. Okay, so they have given radius, so we need to mention this radius. So So this is 80 mm. Okay, so this is how we need to construct the Archimedean spiral. Okay, so one thing you have to remember, all lines should be light. Okay, only this red color line should be dark. Means what? Only this Archimedean spiral should be dark, remaining all line you need to show light. Okay.